In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install your mod menu in Watch Dogs Legion. Check my video description for this mod menu download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select Extract to. Open the extractor folder and double click on the application. Select more info and select run anyway option. Select yes. Select the next option and destination folder. Select the browse and navigate to game folder. Select the game folder and select OK and select next. So you need to select the bin folder, select the browse and select the bin where the game is. The game is in a bin folder, so select the bin folder and select OK and select next and select the agree. Once this done, close stuff here and start the game. Select the accept option and select the launch game option. Before that, you can check the keybinds. Trainer menu, press F4 to open. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, press the F4 to open up this mod menu and use the up arrow and down arrow to choose option. Press enter to select option. To go back, press the backspace key. To show you guys the trainer is working, go to vehicle, spawn, vehicle type and choose the vehicle type you would like to spawn, and to close this menu press the F4 key and now you can enjoy the game. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.